Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Madam Charity, and today, guys, I want to show you how to prepare baby food without a blender. I'm going to use a pawpaw, which is one of the most preferred fruits for babies. Pawpaws are locally available and they are quite cheap. Here in the country, I get them for around 50 shillings. They are easily available and they are quite healthy for babies. Let's get to the preparation. Every time you're preparing baby's food, make sure that your hands are clean and whatever food you're preparing is clean. Slice the pawpaw into 4 pieces. Remove the seeds and peel the pawpaw. Slice the pawpaws into small pieces, as I am doing in this video. Once you are done slicing the pawpaw into small pieces, take a bowl or another plate and with the help of a sieve, together with a strong spoon, crush the sliced pawpaws. I mean crush and press the sliced pawpaws, as I am doing in this video. This is the end result, and I'm sure my baby is going to enjoy what I've just prepared. That is all I had for today, guys. kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.